anticipation is over. We are here.
Hello, and thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style.
Hey guys, it feels great to be back in the kitchen today. We have a special surprise for you guys. We're doing one of my favorites.
We are having vegan, fluffy, and delicious blueberry pancakes.
Man, I can't wait. Let's go ahead and get into it. Come on, join us. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start by adding some flour. Then we're going to go ahead and add our sea salt. And we're using coarse sea salt. We're going to add a little baking powder. Go ahead and add a little baking soda. We're going to go ahead and add in our almond milk. And guys, for the measurements, just look in the description box below on this video, and all the measurements are there. We're going to go ahead and add in our vanilla. We're going to add in some cane syrup. And guys, we're going to go ahead also and add in a few blueberries. We'll take and use some of the other blueberries as we get to cooking our pancakes. And you'll kind of see how it's going to flow once we get going here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. And we're going to go ahead and stir everything together. I like to start by kind of folding all of my ingredients over each other. Just real lightly, just kind of coating the blueberries themselves, mixing everything in together. And you don't, I originally was going to use a kind of like an egg beater type whisk when I was doing this, but I remembered before when we made this recipe in the past, that will kind of tear your blueberries up, and you don't want that to happen. So it's best to use, you know, something like a spreader or some along that line, something that's real soft that won't tear the blueberries up. And you can kind of tell when they get to a consistency, you know, kind of like that thickness, that's kind of what you want. Okay, let's go ahead and move to the next step, guys. I'll see you at the stove. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna start by dropping in a nice, we're gonna turn our fire up just a hair. You don't wanna, you know, have your fire too hot, because we are using organic coconut oil, and it will burn, and it also will start to pop on you quite a bit. And what we're looking for, we're gonna watch our edges, along the edges here, and we're also gonna watch the center. And what we want to see is air bubbles. We want those air bubbles to begin to open up, and that's gonna let us know that those areas of that pancakes are starting to get done. And what I like to do, I like to kind of take my spatula, go around the edges a little bit, and kind of make sure that have a nice, decent looking pancake. See here, guys, this is what I'm talking about. If you look, you can see the air bubbles already. And that tells me that it's getting close to being ready to be flipped. And as long as we maintain our heat, that's the most important thing when you're cooking with coconut oil. We'll be just fine. I'm gonna move a little of the coconut oil to the edges here. That's gonna give us that nice crispy taste along the edges. Okay guys, we're gonna adjust our heat down just a hair. We want to start getting ready to work it up. Okay, now she's ready to flip. Okay, that's it guys, just that simple. I like to press mine just a little bit. That way we don't have to worry about any of the pancake mix that's haven't gotten completely cooked in the middle. And this is what you want, guys. This is what I was talking about here. I love that crispiness here along the edges. That's kind of what you want. Okay. Think about that, babe.
I think it looks great. I know it smells good, and those blueberries look delicious.
Oh yeah. Guys, again, we're gonna move a little oil along the edges here. It don't take much. I like to check mine periodically because you are cooking with blueberries and they will stick on you. So everything's looking good, and she's about done. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Just that simple. Just kill the heat, and I'll see you on the other side. Blueberry pancakes, they're super easy. Our kids make them all the time. The blueberries are very tasty. We grow some of them in our backyard. Sometimes we get them from a local farmer's market, or there's also a farmer's down the road that he sells them as well. He has a blueberry farm. My favorite part about this entire recipe is the blueberries. Guys, they're delicious, and I enjoy eating them as we prepare the recipe. Finished product. Man, it looks great. Hope you enjoy it.